Oh shit.
Oh god.
Chicken bruschetta, asparagus, water.
Ginger ale.
Oh, here's ginger.
Lemons. All I got was lemons for dinner.
Yeah.
He got salmon.
There's more chicken in the pan.
Nah.
And I didn't like the chicken, so he also ate my chicken. And at Costco, he got a hot dog.
Love asparagus so much. So good. I am boozed up for the basketball game. That's a good idea.
Is Bruce gonna be there?
Luckily, they're smelling like a booze factory.
I'm not going to the game. You're taking him. I'm saying what to tell you.
You fucking told me you were going.
I didn't.
So why did you volunteer me for this
You
shit?
did?
He said, "Can I go to the game?" And I said, "Yeah."
Well, he's 9.
I'm Mary Poppins.
Well, why would you say yeah if you didn't want to go?
I didn't say I didn't want to go. I
Oh,
said
my
I'm
God.
not going.
Why?
I should go.
Huh?
They're still there.
Oh.
The workers. I
And?
sent some emails. I figured they'd answer me Monday.
What does that mean, JB?
So they are working. They're answering the emails. I figured I wouldn't get any response.
I can see no relevance what the fuck that has to do with the basketball game, but okay.
He just like to change the topic.
I know. I know.
If I'm not there, they usually
Leave.
yeah. If I'm there, they'll stay.
You know it works. Oh. Oh my god, so yummy. Well, I have no outfit for tomorrow.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. I need a stupid ass work all day tomorrow.
Yep. It's on this. It's on the schedule. It's on the calendar. It's been on the calendar for 2 weeks.
No.
It's not like it's coming out of the blue.
No.
I used to go to work.
Well, that's Steven. No. You should know the drill by now. You should already know. The hell?
What do you care?
I'm gonna go on Pops tomorrow night.
Sunday?
Tomorrow, Saturday.
Oh, I am. So
You and Natalia.
Oh, so you want to stay there?
Huh?
So you guys want to stay there?
Yep.
Hey, how about we play very
Bye, guys.
special day?